Today is March 9th, and over 100 years ago today, in 1891, one of the deadliest snowstorms in British history hit the southern areas of Devon, Somerset and Cornwall. The snow was so bad that it reached 15-foot high drifts. It collapsed roofs from the weight. It buried trains. Over 200 people were killed and over 6,000 animals were lost. It was even bad enough to send dozens of ships floundering onto the Cornish rocks. And from the 9th of March to the 13th of March, the snow continued to fall, setting in, and the brutal chill from the weather basically wiped out almost an entire generation of sheep. The storm was so bad that the snow actually lasted until June, when it began to melt. This can serve as a devastating reminder of the true power of nature and the weather.